I'm Griffin. I'm a senior and I've been here for 7 years. So I came to Stratford in 6th grade. You know, it was initially a scary time, not just because I was going to middle school, but also a new school. But when I came to the school, I was, given a mentor and felt really welcomed. And I think coming to Stratford, especially since 6th grade, I was able to come up in this atmosphere of academic excellence. The teachers won't allow you to fall behind because they care for you, and they're also going to push you to be the best. And I think it's also, I've created, I have some of my best friends now from school, and it's just an atmosphere of we're all going to be the best. Everybody here wants to be the best. The various experiences you can have, it makes you just a more cultured person, a more diverse person. I know I can do sports, but I'm also involved with the arts now, and there's also academic clubs. I think Stratford's made me really prepare for the process. It doesn't start in high school, it starts in middle school, elementary school with our English teachers. They get you started writing essays pretty soon, and so by the time you're in high school, you're ready to go. Every teacher at Stratford is willing to come help you with any way they can. And I'm excited for college because I think it's something to me, new experience, but nothing I can't handle, and I think Stratford's taught me that.